Okay, welcome back. On this video, we're going to be talking about how to add content to your website. Now, this is going to be one of the most important things that you do for your website, adding content, which is how you get ranked. It's how you get people to click your affiliate links. Content is very important. So you basically have two options. You have a page and a post. Now, if I go down to pages and I click all pages, um, this one, just get rid of it. Just trash it. That'll be on every new theme. But basically, if I do a page, it'll see how that sample page that I'll watch that'll be gone. See how it's gone. So pages show up here, across here, and post will show up over here. So if I want to do a new page, I just add new page and just dismiss that, and then just do sample page, and then here is where you add your content. And it's just like a word processor. Just click the toolbar toggle and see how it brings. It's called a kitchen sink. That's with it off. That's with it on. You've got more options. So I come in here. It's in paragraph. I can change it to header 1. I can change it to header 2. I can change the color on it if I want to change the color. I can check and bold it. I can italic it. All kind of stuff. If I want to add an image, I can just come down here to add image. We'll just select a file. We'll go to pictures. I'll just grab something goofy. I'll open that and see how it shows up here. Now on alternate text, this should be your keyword. So whatever keyword you're using, you should put it in there. This is how you want to display. If you want it to the left of the page, to the right, or none, you just choose that, and you can. Now, if I want, I can click on the image, I can delete it, I can edit it, I can move it however I want. If you hit preview, this will show you what your page is starting to look like. To give you some ideas. So that's how you add a page. Now, when you save it, it just saves as draft. It's not published yet, so the internet can't see your page yet. When you hit publish, it publishes it. Okay, so you just hit publish, and that'll publish it. Now here at the bottom is your actually, this one doesn't have it probably set up yet, which is our search engine optimization. So probably what we want to do is come back over to install plugins. It's probably not activated yet. And here's the all-in-one SEO pack. You just want to go ahead and activate that. Activate your spam. And if you've got some other ones on there, you should probably activate those as well. Now if I come back into all pages, I can edit that page. And if I come down here to the bottom, now see, here's my SEO. This is a snippet of what Google is going to see. So this is the title, and your keyword should be here. Okay, and then this is just a description of what you want people to see when they search for your keyword. So for instance, if I just let's say if I was to Google affiliate marketing, see this right here. If you come down here, this is the header. That's what Google is going to display at the header. So if you come back over to sample page over here on your page, that's the header right there. This is the content which is right here. All right, actually that won't show up, but right there, right there. So that's what Google's going to look for and then display on the SERPs. So that's what that's all about. And then you put your keyword here. Your keyword goes there. And if you make any changes, you do have to update it. Your best option on doing pages is to I usually recommend you try to get as close as you want and just keep hitting save draft. If you have to come back to it and do some more work, just keep hitting save draft. When you're pretty close to where you think you want it to be, then go ahead and just publish it. I did it now just to give you an idea. Now if I come over to dashboard and I come over here and I'll refresh that. See how the sample page showed up? Now within each sample page, so let's say you had a main category as marketing and you wanted to put sub pages under it. That's pretty cool. You just go to appearance and you just come down to menus and you're creating your first menu. So just give it a name. Create the menu. I think you want to hit primary navigation. And then what I can do, I'll just save that menu. So what you want to do to create a sub, I could do something like I go to links, I just come back here, just use the pound and then name it, I can name it marketing. Now you'll notice it says custom. Now if I come up to pages, I click that, I put add to menu. See, this is the actual page. So if I pull it over just a little bit, it's going to be a sub page of marketing. So if I hit save menu, this should work. Yeah, so there's, and you'll notice my arrow. Now I've got my sample page under it. So if you get to a point where you're having, it's best to have your primaries up here and then have sub pages underneath it. Now for post, it's pretty much the same thing, all post. Go ahead and just trace hello world. And I'm just going to add a new one. And you'll notice it's almost the same interface as the pages. And I'll go ahead and just publish that. And let's see if it comes up over here. And then you'll notice recent post. There it is right there. I can get rid of this stuff too if I want. I can just come over here to, let's see, I think it's under appearance and you go to widgets. These are all the widgets that are on the sidebar. So you'll notice right here, all these, I can get rid of them. So like I have Meta, I want to get rid of that probably. So I just click that and I just hit delete. If I come back over here, I refresh. Now it's gone. I want to get rid of archives. I can just delete it. And see, it's starting to make my website a little more tighter. And then you can add stuff too if you want to add, a header or a banner. You can just slide this over, put it in there, and then you just add your information there. Alright, that pretty much wraps up how to do pages and posts. Just remember that this is your most important thing that you'll want to learn. And I will see you at the next training video. Bye.